Of a verse here. Ooh. Did you invite the orchestra in? And I could try, yes I try if I really want to, but I don't cause I won't, cause I get along with you. Okay, that was just a test. That was just a test. I said it wrong. Alright, we're gonna try again. But I want to get it at the part that seems like the cool part to do it, okay? And I could try, yes I try if I really want to, but I don't cause I won't get along without you. I don't buy it, but I might if I really have to. I don't buy into that, I got a good attitude. Ah, that was a little better. I'm gonna try another one. This is the hook right here. That I could try, yes I'll try if I really want to, but I don't cause I won't get along without you. I don't buy it, I don't mind, but I really won't. That got a good attitude. That was a bust right there. I need to like go when the strings stop. I need to check out the string part. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the part. Alright, we'll do it right here. That I could try, yes I'll try if I really want to, but I don't cause I won't get along without you. I don't buy but I might, but I really have to. When I don't. Alright, we'll get it by the end of the song. We'll do it after this long organ part. Alright, here we go. But I could try, yes I'll try if I really want to, but I don't cause I won't get along without you. I don't buy, but I might if I really have to. I don't buy into that, I got a good attitude. There we go, I nailed it.